What's up, guys? Today, we're diving into a blast from the past with a twist. The Nokia 2660 Flip 4G review. Okay, real talk. 20 years ago, my first phone was this old school beast called the C1C25. Back then, that was the flagship. Then came legends like the Nokia 3310 and 3315. And yep, I rocked the 3315 too. But my heart was all about the flip phones. You know, the satisfying click when you close them. Pure magic. I even had an LG flip phone, tiny and compact, perfect for one-hand wars and dramatic hang-ups. Nowadays, phones are just flat rectangles. You can't slam them shut or throw them like a frisbee without breaking your wallet. Samsung tried to bring back the flip vibe with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Cool, but way out of budget for most of us. So, Nokia swooped in with the 2660 Flip. And guess what? It's not Android. Nah, it's a classic feature phone with modern 4G. Price? Around 4,000 sis. 99 INR. So pretty chill for a throwback vibe. Unboxing. You get the phone, a charger, and the battery. The phone itself is kinda big for a flip. Bigger than my Google Pixel 4, honestly. It's got a 2.8-inch main screen and a 1.7-inch secondary screen outside to check time and notifications. Camera? 0.3 megapixels. Yeah, that's barely a camera. Don't expect Instagram-worthy pics. But hey, there's a flashlight, FM radio, Snake Game, the OG time killer, and a decent speaker with those classic Nokia ringtones. Build quality feels solid. Buttons are backlit and tactile. All that nostalgic goodness. Battery life? Pretty. Decent for a feature phone. No drain like smartphones. Who's this for? If you want a no-nonsense flip phone with basic calling, texting, and long battery life, this is your vibe. But if you want apps, cameras, and YouTube on the go, better stick to Android or iPhone. So, would you rock this Nokia 2660 Flip in 2025? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if you enjoyed this blast from the past review. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech goodness. Catch you late.